Kia ora koutou, Reese from QuickSense here, and today we're looking at rotation. Now in this question, I've got an unshaded object, and I'm rotating at about point C to get the shaded image. What was the angle and direction of rotation? So, what we're going to look at is what I'm going to use the software I have to kind of see what I need to do in terms of rotation. So not moving it, just rotating it around C to make it look like the kind of shape we're after is this kind of shape. Ooh. Okay, so something like that. So by grabbing this here, how do I make it look like that? Well, I make it look like that. There we go, that's clicked in. So how much was that? Well, this only clicks in, right? This is a square, so that's a quarter turn. And that's the shape that we want. So a quarter turn, let's get rid of this. Quarter turn, well, there's 90 degrees, that's a quarter, a right angle, and the direction was clockwise. Another way we could do it is the opposite, so 270 degrees, anti-clockwise. Although we always want to prefer the one that is simpler. Now this next question can seem rather complicated, but what we're going to do is we're going to think of this in terms of circles. Now what do I mean by that? Well, for this circle here, right, for that circle there to get back to where it's begun, it has to do at least, let's do it with pen, 360 degrees. Okay, so that's a full revolution. But let's say the first time around it goes to 340. Right, so it's not quite hitting it, so I need to get some multiple of 360. So it could be 720 where it lands in the right place. It could be even more iterations. But what we're going to do is we're going to translate clockwise and anti-clockwise into what happens for each sequence. And the sequence here is actually 30, 90, 180, and then it repeats. So one sequence, one repeating pattern is 30, we're going to call that plus 30 for clockwise, goes back 90, and goes forward 180. 30, well, that gives us 120. So this is going to go around, right, this starts here, it's going to go around 120 each time. So how do I get it to go the whole way around? Well, I need to know, right, 360, how many times does it go into it? Well, it goes into it actually quite nicely, 3 times. So it's going to take 3 of these sequences. So 3 sequences. Therefore, well, there's 3 in each. So 3 times 3 equals 9 individual, let's spell that right, individual rotations.